In the fast-paced world of trading, how do you find a strategy you can trust? Welcome to FFR Trading. Since 2006, we've been your trusted guide to the world of alternative investment strategies. Whether it's Forex, futures, commodities, stocks, or options, we're dedicated to finding and verifying profitable strategies tailored for you. Our unique 8-step certification process is meticulously crafted, providing built-in checks and balances, ensuring that every investment strategy meets our rigorous standards. After all, you wouldn't hand over your wallet to a stranger, right? We believe in empowering you with educated market decisions, protecting your hard-earned money from unnecessary risks. Who are we? We're more than just a team, we're investors like you, constantly on the hunt for strategies that truly work. Our mission? To bridge the gap between you and the seasoned trading system authors. No matter your market of interest, we're here to help. And with our 8-step certification process, we offer you a shield of confidence in a world full of uncertainty. Many start their trading journey seeking that elusive perfect strategy, but let's be real, finding that is like catching a unicorn. But while the holy grail of trading might not exist, our time-tested evaluation process ensures we get as close as possible. Your journey to profitable trading starts here. Reach out to FFR Trading at 800-883-0524, and let's chart the path to your financial success. FFR Trading, your trusted partner in alternative investment strategies.